I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm about to reveal to you one single secret that will get your teeth as white as snow in 2 minutes. I don't know if you guys have noticed my teeth so far. Do you see how white that is? Very white, extremely white, and it looks beautiful on me. I can already tell you that. I've got secrets and I've been using these for a very long time. Hi guys, my name is Noel. I'm a professional image consultant. I do videos like this on a daily to improve your lives, give you that good look, give you that gentleman tips and everything to keep your life in perfect mood. So today it's a very special video. I've never done a tutorial before that I actually really show it on how you can get a teeth as white as snow, just like mine. If you like it, please. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit down the subscribe button and hit the notification button as well, so you never gotta miss any of my posts. And let's get right into it. I hope you enjoy watching these as much as I enjoy creating these for you guys. So hey, let's get it going. So you're gonna need 3 things. The first thing you're gonna need is a lemon, 1, and then 2, ginger, and then 3 table salt. So, and a blender to blend it, to mix it together. So let's get right into business. So what happens is you take your ginger, cut it into smaller particles, put it in the blender. I'm gonna make this really quick because I've already done it. I've already blended mine, and this is the ginger. But all you have to do is put it in the blender, blend it for a couple of minutes, just like few, 1 minute or so. And the next thing you want to do is to get a half tablespoon of salt, table salt. Drop it inside, and then you take the lemon, cut it into 2, and use the half. This is a lemon, so use the half to squeeze it in. Squeeze it in and make sure you take out the seeds. I'm doing this really quick, but take out the seeds and squeeze it in. Then all you have to do is mix it all together. Mix it. You're good to go. Use a toothbrush to brush your teeth morning and the evening. This is gonna give your teeth as white as snow. Really quick and really simple. All you need is these 3 things: a ginger, a lemon, and a table kitchen salt. So easy to do, so easy, but make sure you brush your teeth once in the morning, once in the evening before you go to bed. It's a personal hygiene, and it's got to get your teeth as white as mine. This is what I've been using for a very long time. It's working for me. There are other ways to use it. There's other ways to get your teeth as well as white as snow, but this is just one simple way, and you might as well try different things if this doesn't work out for you. But I think it's gonna work out because I've had experience with it, and I've had friends who've used it as well. So I hope you enjoy watching these as much as I enjoy creating these beautiful contents for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification button as well to see anytime I do a post. Thank you so much for passing by, and if there's other topics you want me to cover in regards to any of these things, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section.
For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky.